Hello guys, I'm live now with local for
I beg me I not too much. The mouth alone don't tell me that. I swear. I see. If you are not available yet, that means now you know just one day available for the page. I tell you now say one day I go contact the man. Now be our father.
So guys, we did now live with a work phone, okay? With a work phone now.
Make I not talk much. Be like say you don't know how to take them and say you they work phone. My brother, sorry for my own area, they call me troublemaker. I would say your front camera they work. Oh, the back one. Hey, see ya. You dey see this one? Now only me know how much they sell am. And now see am, everywhere they work see am. Baba una dey chop money here. See meter. To tell you say nothing can happen here. The meter they up. Make I on am small. Make you see am. Make I off am again. You see am. All the meter. Bro, you get everything here. Even this to the iron. Almost 1 or 2. Make I shop the. Make I show wetin you go buy. You dey see am. So all the phone tools there. Yeah.
Make I
See am.
come one by one. Guys,
This same thing I get
got
am.
this.
I can't see as you get am safe. The thing they surprise me. You see am. Man, show your face. People like say they don't know you.
I got this, guys.
You dey see am.
If you're in my training group, get ready to enjoy. Have a lot of videos to drop.
I swear, me, I follow them for the training group. If you never had me, add me now.
I got this.
You dey see am.
So get ready. iPhone videos is dropping. Used to say that. Get ready. It's going to drop.
I beg, if you never get ready before, get that now. Because
Guys,
this is what I got see here.
We are going to show you latest video.
Make I show them. See am. You see this one? The light go just the face here when the guy they walk here. You dey see am. Even they get the original one. This guy get money. Oh. Make I shock them. You see this television? As they work here, you could see what they work for TV. As I'm talking to you. It is here. So see all the tools. This one, not be the tools whether they use old panel with this. This one.
Yeah, that
I
was
talk
the whole panel.
Like you say.
You work on the panel, you do
See,
a lot of things. So the iron beats.
I swear.
Change anyone, remove IC, you know.
I swear. See, this place makes sense. So, guys, I beg. Now the CEO of Local for Repair the talk. I really celebrate seeing you. I beg, make person hold camera in case I want you for hand talk. You see. So guys, I beg, welcome once again. I told you guys
we
go link up. That's what I'm saying, guys. If you are not watching the video, or sorry, if you are watching the video, or you really want to watch the video, but first of all, make sure you don't share the video for others to see. We don't link up. So 2 heads is better than 1. No be so.
Yeah.
Now the person where they view it, where the old camera now 1 head, me and you now 2. Brother, we don't need you.
Okay, sir.
This one they follow repair phone. Then I tell you repair generator.
God, oh God.
Carry camera phone. See am. So if you say people know they reply your message, Nabia say you never the same message where is no money. That's what it be. Because if you say you want to join, you say yes, you pay. They don't they follow you.
So guys, if you want to join our training, you want to learn phone repair, local phone is here. Okay, contact local phone if you want to learn phone from local phone. In fact, come, we go teach you. We have a lot of tools now. We are planning to get a lot of tools. So contact us. Either you contact me or you contact local phone repair. Get to us, okay? Come and learn physical. Come and learn online. We have online training. We have physical training. Come and learn.
Okay. For me, when I get lost, say my phone not there yet. I give my phone, make the update and give me. As I'm talking to you, I'm gonna do different type of videos. Yeah. Here, if I know big type table. What do you want to for the table? Where you know lay? You don't see the table long. I see the knowledge where you go down long. Congratulations once again. Guys, please, don't just say you don't locate this place. If you don't want for the physical, go the online. Money not too cost. How much you save the charge?
Just 15K.
15K?
Just 15K.
My brother, data alone
15K.
for a month, it don't pass 15K, no be so.
Just
They go they
15K.
upload video, we don't pass 20 minutes, 5 minutes. So make sure say, if you are watching, drop comment for the comment section, tag me. Make I know say, tag local for repair. That's what it be. Welcome once again for the industry. You get what you have Pacific. I know one talk about.
Now chicken, barbecue.
So guys, I really celebrate you guys once again. This is local phone repair CEO talking. Once again, I appreciate my father for the phone industry work. It's not easy. We repair phone. If you are using a Kwaibo language, there is something some customer will tell you. Now you are calling me about now.
Yeah.
So for us to, if you are Kwaibo, you understand that word. Now you are about now. So for us to be a phone repair and we stand by to the area that almost 1 to 2 years, it's not easy. So I really celebrate us and make sure you guys to type congratulations to us also. We know they easy to repair phone fresh like this. But the way they repair phone, they get this.
Guys,
Yeah. You know, father, you know say by then, they be not say person if they repair phone, they drive car.
Yeah. Some of them they say that if you are a phone technician, that you won't be able to get the money to buy a car. Bro, you're deceiving yourself. Do this phone work. One day. Che, gosh.
Imagine if they want iPhone display, all those kind of things.
I don't want to talk more. Okay, I don't want to talk more. You see this phone work, guys. There are a lot of secrets I will be sharing with you later. How you can repay phone and make a lot of money. Okay, I'm not talking about online. Online is not included. Later, I will share with you the secret of how you can make money just by repairing.
Even if you know the repair phone, but idea, just get idea. That's why subscribe to your own channel.
Okay,
subscribe to the channel. Very simple. If the channel say I can't see price, it is very small.
Guys, so I'm very happy. Okay, this is the first time local phone repair. You know, local phone repair called me and tell me I'm coming to your shop. I was like, wow.
I don't try.
So finally, see local phone here.
Nice,
so guys,
nice,
we are going to repair together today. You see, today is bam. Okay.
See, maybe not waste our time. Tell them the secret first. Make sure say you don't go subscribe. Buy any book where you say may you buy you because now you will tap the knowledge. But where we are cooking something. Making dot because maybe go put our firewood. Ogami, if you end your life for me, I don't end the world. Hey, my members.
Let me you, bro.
Yeah, look like
guys, our team are working. Send your message.
I swear.
Send message. Our team are working. They will reply. Okay. Send either Facebook or YouTube, WhatsApp. Okay. We are working 247. Okay. We are working 247. Send message. Get reply instantly, ASAP. Okay, so that's it, bro. So these are the tools I got, and I'm going to post it later. Okay, I'm going to post it later, as you can see. So I got this today. I'm going to post it later. I got this today. I'm going to post it later. All of these things, I'm going to post it later. And this one, I got it today, so I'm going to post it later. So get ready for videos coming. If you're in my training group, you're going to enjoy a lot. In fact, let me change to my front camera. If you're in my training group, you're going to enjoy a lot, okay? My training group right now will be more advanced than the way it was before because every day we are increasing a lot of knowledge and I'm bringing a new knowledge that I know everybody will like. No, they will like, okay? So, okay, somebody says here, where is the PDF of the book you said that you were publishing? Okay, it's available. Join my YouTube channel to get it, okay? Join my YouTube channel to get it. It's not for free. I took my time. I said that I started writing the book last year. So from last year to this year, I finished the book, I think, Sunday. I posted it on Sunday, okay? So I took my time to write it, so I'm not going to give it for free, okay? So get the book, and enjoy, okay? After getting the book, you're going to enjoy a lot of things. You see this phone work, there's money. Guys, I'm not making mouths here, okay? There's money in phone work. I don't mean doing video and be posting online, oh, guys. There is money which I will share with you. Okay, don't think that there was a day I post that I will repay phone for life, and someone say, why do you think like that? So can you find another thing and do? You just want to repair phone for? See, oh, you see this phone work? I will never stop repairing phone. I like saying that. Okay, it's my work. I'm proud of it. Okay, check us, bro.
Make I tell them that person will tell you that thing. In they give you motivation because when me I even start my own page, person call me for phone, tell me say, if you try that thing again, but now the person they tell me say how you take try am.
Guys, you know they easy, guys. You still they do something, okay? Send your message to us on WhatsApp. Contact us on WhatsApp. Send message on WhatsApp. Okay, send message on WhatsApp. That's it, bro.
So my live video will still be on, so you can still continue watching our live video while we are trying to fix some issues like I said before. So let me put my phone on a stand and you can still continue to view what we do. Okay, so you can still continue to view us, and that's it. So let the phone be here. Let the phone be here. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
I love this thing. This thing is very, very good and sweet. Very good and sweet. You get everything they right for that?
Okay, follow me.
So guys, as you can see, the industry is very friendly. I like let me tell you guys something about phone repairs. Phone repairs is a work that you enjoy it. There is no area, as long as this life is concerned, but I don't know, but for my own mindset, there is no area that you not see a phone. If you go to an area and nobody holds phones, my brother run just for your life alone, not for the phone. So phone is is an electronic that everywhere they are using it, and they use it every second. So if you repair phone, it's very good for you. I swear, if you know and get the knowledge. And see, my brother, let me show you about this phone of it. If I'm a phone repair, a phone technician, if I come to your shop, I say, help me with your iron or your blower, then we know. No person, no phone technician will tell you, say, give me 15 naira before you use my blower. So we are friendly. So, but if you are doing video something, if I come and ask you, camera, you go ask to rent. So this phone of 18, if you go that one now, just in one change screen and you buy the screen, if you enter anywhere, change and collection. That's why. So why you telling me say the work no free? The work free though. They don't know. Me they call me a brown paper. The way this phone they are not like I make a check it for where they are online. Better. Somebody say I have my own battery booster. Very normal. You they carry H man join body. Egede man. Who be Egede man? Me I hold down. Okay, let me read some comments. What's your WhatsApp number? Okay. Drop your WhatsApp number. How to get your training class? Okay. Bro, you're supposed to create WhatsApp group. Love you guys. Easy. Okay, more grace, fellow engineer. Local phone repair, Father Joe. Happy to see two bosses. Respect. I have a question to ask. Okay, well done, sir. Somebody say, okay, my two mentors did together. High halo. Respect, sir. Oh, I like that word. High halo. That high halo.
That one is simple now.
Somebody say, so Father Joe phone repair can talk and smile like this. He can get joy. That's why. Somebody say his Vivo Y85 battery temperature is too low. Problem. That one may be soft now. It's a problem that will soft. Can you help me with the book? Okay. Father Joe, what is the code to format small phone? Very normal. Good day. Father Joe repair. What's the password of the book? What's the password of the book? Okay, let me go to the current. Yes, so local phone repair, you are right for this. You said one love for all phone repairs. Very normal. That's how they roll. Father, yeah, you they go inside. Go your inside there. Listen. That is on check. Where you they keep this your camera while you are working?
Okay, now here.
So that making sure the work.
Anyway, let it be. Don't worry. Continue the live stream.
Okay, make I dey like this, carry control. Because I really want to make you follow them. You get as your people go, they see me alone, they go come the vex.
Okay.
Where I keep Father Joe.
There is what you guys.
Father Joe, you don't get stool. Now only there's two.
Okay, no get stool.
Me,
sorry.
I learn with stool.
Okay.
I understand.
Okay.
Because you know say I don't fit go back. Stool now so we there when we dey learn work. That's why I want to dig.
You know it.
My brother, now follow the small. Look in there.
So guys, it's not easy. We work all the time.
But make they know say you dey on table and work it. Make me I follow gun lane work first so. And should be. That's why I like
Guys, share the video, share the live video.
Somebody say I love the way we engineers share love.
Okay.
Not true. I swear.
Thank you.
As long as you be phone technician, you come my shop or come any shop, you say help me with your God. You go see say engineer go just give you. They know how to say rent am. Me I don dey with person where they take picture. Even go tell him friend say how e be. You go tell am say you got pay money or to rent the camera. So this our own thing. You know somebody say where are you? Where are your location in Akwa Ibom State? So if you mention your location there. Now one location they different. Your own location makes sense because now you. Okay, people where they give phone, they record them. The other one in name na precious. Why you know they put phone number?
Guys, everything and the right, okay?
I
And the
see.
right is very important. So that I think you get my point. Okay.
I
Don't
see.
worry, I will take that explain later. In case of any incasity, okay? So that you will not make mistake and start crying. Okay, so let me.
I think you don't enter work now.
Yeah.
That's the way you write now. Waiting you go repair.
Yeah. Sam, ready?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sir.
Sam, I forget him. Bongalo.
Incendi e frusen.
Sam, sorry, I'm losing. Sai, sai como back for me.
Yo ngwa be bam kala wa mo mi go me yo ngwa be. E ya go ga even la di go fa o do ko ke be yo mo se.
Sai como go good for me. La ni po I will get for.
Go ro do ke yo mo sa ni because me se ni try yi ka.
Sam mari will learn have India now. Ni la ni dai da.
Yes, I'm getting good go in good line.
Ban agbari but this one look at one time. Follow the one the message on.
Ba do ke ke lo ko foro do mo ke ka ra. Ya go ya da yo. Ko iso.
Kengo como que daba. Que no es manica. Botón en bol. Angana ya no ya lo voy a. So guys, we are streaming live.
Someone last year.
Okay, sare jangan ko abang button benero.
Yes.
Okay. Saro fori nombo di phone so ande beting di. Aya nombo se ni ngo rating iba mi. Mo ro ko ngong ro ni rating. Ni rating mi. Ngo ga bo no fo tam me di. So ni yung yon di furi ba ti mo.
Ya bo ga ma san ni.
Okay, so now we buy room. Ngong ga bi dem bo since ro ni mbo ida ba. Đúng
Usang na ni lo yo mo ka ro. To ma la se de tra, ai mo e ship ji yo. A mi yo mo kan yo fa nga ka ngo bi ro. De ya ro ba yo se.
Also, go very important like anyim the phone bam frame. Ada bo bene ka plaza ye change no dey da.
Next year, I ga yo aye bi dem.
Sai ma ga na ko.
So for this your WhatsApp now because person say even one join. If the person there for Ghana, how the person they take make payment?
It is simple. I get Ghana this.
So you get the transaction.
Yeah, I get.
That mean even person where they
I get
Cameroon
PayPal.
fee pay money enter.
Yeah.
Eh?
That's how it is.
No more too much out bro. Just pay money they join. No be so. I swear. I don't see message for this upset. I want to learn phone repair.
From WhatsApp.
I swear. See, the world still they go front to now I see what him they work.
Where's my fucking leg? Like my fucking leg, guys.
And without this leg, some work not dey pure.
Yeah, that one is true. Without this leg, bro, it may not change another thing.
I swear. So who the whole camera give you make you do this normal video?
No way the whole camera for me. I just keep my phone. Keep my
Ah,
phone here. I zoom. The thing I cannot capture the place. After I do my video. Then later I come take time. They do
Explain.
do explanation.
so guys, you see am now, you know the day easy. Somebody they even comment say, "Hi Father Joe." Hey Father Joe, we're in there for busy mood now.
Yeah, the camera is too damn.
So Father
okay,
Joe,
they want to see what I'm doing.
so Father Joe, this mouthpiece now, we know say na mouthpiece, but how we go take call this mouthpiece now if na English side?
Now universal.
You know say that one where they stone now, the name got.
Okay, the one where the stones.
Where they enter this one.
That one for this side we call an iron mouthpiece.
Me, from my own side, we call them stone mouthpiece. You know, they look like stone. This one are universal. You know,
Iron mouthpiece, so we call them iron.
finally, two mighty men don't meet. Now only him be the main mighty. Me na just the mighty, it don't go.
Now we be the most to. Right, guys.
This guy say na engineer. This Warders na engineer because of his engineer. Na engineer. It may happen if they repair Samsung phones alone.
You know easy.
Somebody say look out for repair. I have issue with. Nah lie, you no get issue. Nah Father Joe page be this. Every issue now table give Father Joe. Table give am na be the solution. Na your own page be this. So I dey for him page. You know since I dey him page. I beg just dey share the life. Plenty things dey cook. Me sef I can't even see wetin you don arrange keep. Me sef dey fear am. The guy carry strength too. See the way he put mouthpiece. Just 2 seconds. And now
guys,
universal.
I
See am. Sorry, him go come talk to una later. But be as him dey work. But na good man. As he dey work, he just dey talk small with him own fans. It makes sense so. So now that mouthpiece now for the work.
Yeah,
The effect of the mouthpiece we say go just dey call person. The person dey say hello, you down don't talk everything. The person dey continue to say hello, hello. So now him go solve the issue. He don already solve the issue sef.
Sami nam do you know?
I didn't confuse. They go, you know, confuse it. It's
Oh my God. So confused, go. Sami do you see nam? Okay, no nam the bound two options over. The first option over. Either for you nominate the phone with the money. I mean nam the phone nam go for the at any time for even go. Or if I nomin, then I mean copy the model number of the phone. Yeah, they be thinking. Go for when the phone they mean fix sooner. That is the only two options. Apart from that, there's no other way and you can fix phone. Since I'm going to be by that. Both of them are him going because more moving over try it. So I'm in very checking the owner and name. I'm not grab and getting
Father Joe,
yeah.
For me, you get wetin I for say make you carry like the first topic on your training. Now how person go take the read this meter?
Na simple something.
Na simple but e hard o.
So what the okay, is it okay, the model.
Yes.
Okay.
Then, Obukan drop no so be pin no you take the down coffee and get you.
Sango man no bam mo ko ro yim de sen de bottom. Uchi yo se ne ho mo be ni. Am I da
657.
Yeah, 657. 657. No, 657. Sambo ya na mi number mfu.
How many okay we have to how many o'clock can be
Saudi.
how many o'clock can be you go
Samba man am go go there.
Father, continue on your life o.
Okay. Okay.
your number
Okay, so I can say no.
080 3222
3222 0678. Okay. Let me see.
have 1 minute remaining.
Oh my
Now
God.
star 60.
Oh my God. For you, I need location. 24 man. Young Duran. No, I'm going to go this thing. My name is okay. That's good. But can you do that? So I am not going to do. Saya okay. Saya no. Saya di power flex 025.
Two difference.
Saya 25 zero. So
Because the last time I'm gonna
saya na from.
you get where you found the one day. And yet I'm no bed.
Saya agbe. Agbe ni so.
I got last year.
Agbe.
So you don't have to put him to the key.
Yung sa odo, ang ganang kaya mo.
Send them to the consent you look. You remember
Saya 25. I don't get no advance of 2,000.
you number to get what you buy. You haven't bought 2,000. You haven't done no. But you go now, man, into them.
Yes, I got.
Send that I'm going to be the main more about it for
Siempre no. Él me llama a decir.
Then me can come.
Ah, sorry. Que me han individuado un cuiro.
Mbandaka.
Enjoy the
Plaza.
It's for you.
Another giveaway for you guys for this exam.
Somebody though, in your good.
Okay.
In your good.
I'm going to grade it and I'm going to say, I need number. I'm going to say,
Sambo, I am doko anyong vise no ngwen ya in case mba mono. Ya ndoko anyong vise.
my good time.
Good time. Okay.
Because I'm already flash number, I don't know, I don't remember. I mean, look at it, for birthday time is in a phone.
Oh, stop for that.
Even target what I'm going to put this on, it's on the
That is really good. Yeah. So everybody is on the edge of see what we need to go. I say, we want to go. Boy, where is Spain? Mom, where is it?
Look at that tray. What you imagine on my tray? I mean, I can go me real. Then to face a good tray.
For a little into the X6 57. X657. No, the 657 is true.
Young the young can come a food for you. Woman will do
Smart 5
or
Smart 6.
So I am very ghost time.
good time.
Okay, good time.
Sorry. Good time. 18. Good time.
Okay, sir.
But who said when man and the may I go on in the old guys look for?
And somebody says,
So you come to darling go one come. You come on more this look for.
Yeah, Zara, but I have a special.
It's not me, I really special. This look for and this more attention.
Somebody will get him boy. I can boy.
Father,
Yeah.
are you still on live stream?
Yeah, I'm still on live.
Because your battery don't go down.
Okay, my battery. Oh my god, it's just 5%. Guys, I will be going offline now. So make sure that you are my YouTube channel. I think before evening I will be going live to show you how to repair a lot of phones. I have a lot of phones here to work. So make sure that you are my YouTube channel and make sure you subscribe, okay, to learn a lot. Subscribe, join my membership and enjoy a lot, okay? Join my online training and all that things. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section and see you in my next video coming soon. But before I close this live, my technician local phone repairs here. We are still working. We are still working 247. We are still working, okay?
I beg, my last word. You don't see as at the 3 months. if you dey join the group, you go multi also. That's it, baby.
Okay. Guys, see you in my next video. Bye for now. Love you all.